Hi, I'm Amanda Carlo. I'm here in sunny Cancun at ALG Vacations Ascend Conference, and I'm with a very special guest and friend, Shana White, Director of Sales for U.S. Virgin Islands, and we're going to learn all about what Virgin Islands has to offer our travel advisor partners and their clients and more at Insider Travel Report. So Shana, thanks for being here today. Can you tell us, A, what's new about the destination and how easy it is for our advisors and their clients to get there? Is there any new lift?
Yes, it's very easy to get to the U.S. Virgin Islands from most of your major cities on the eastern seaboard. We're actually happy to be announcing that Southwest will be flying into the destination in February from out of Baltimore as well as out of Orlando, as well as we're having additional flights out of Chicago on American into St. Thomas and St. Croix, as well as JetBlue is coming back into the Boston area starting in December into St. Thomas daily. So we're pretty excited about all the new things. We have a new property that's there at the destination in St. Thomas. It's the Hampton by Hilton. It's 126 rooms right there on Havenside Dock. So great for folks that want to be in the mix of everything. They'll be able to walk to the town, walk to different shops and restaurants and bars. So we're pretty excited about that. We have some renovations at some properties over in St. Croix that's coming online as well. So just some great things. We definitely want, the clients, for them to send their clients to us because, we're a beautiful destination.
And in preparation for winter season, when all of our advisors and their clients want to escape the cold, where can our advisors go to learn more information about these new hotels you mentioned, the new lift, new offers and promotions available to them? What resources do you have, and where should they go to learn more information?
Good question. Because currently right now, the sales team is running a webinar series. So every Tuesday or Thursday from this month all the way down to December, we are highlighting the destination, as well as we're showcasing different properties within St. Thomas, St. Croix, and St. John. So that is one way they can get to learn a little bit more about the destination, as well as they can visit our website, visit usvi.com, where they can learn more about the destination, learn more about our accommodations and our attractions and events.
Awesome, great. And what demographic typically goes to your islands? Would you say you cater to more of one demographic than another, or is it perfect for everyone?
I think the destination is great for everyone. We don't necessarily have a particular demographic. We're great for families. We're great for multi-generation. We're great for couples, honeymooners, guys trip, MICE market, cruise passengers. We're great for everyone. The destination is welcoming to all.
Good to know. Is there something that you would say makes your island stand out amongst other sun and fun destinations that you would want our advisors to know about?
Definitely, we're no passport that's required. So if you didn't know about that, definitely consider looking at us. No passport required for U.S. citizens. So that's always a great selling point for us, and our culture and our people and our food and our music. So definitely come on down and experience the U.S. Virgin Islands.
What's your favorite cuisine or food item that clients should try when going?
Definitely try a conch, which is one of our local seafood, as well as our Caribbean lobsters. Cannot miss trying one of those.
Well, thank you, Shana, for speaking with us and for taking the time. I know the conference is a really busy time. We have over 800 advisors here to learn more about the different destinations and hotels ALG is offering within its portfolio. So make sure to learn more about U.S. Virgin Islands, everything they have to offer to your clients this winter season and really all year long. And thank you for listening in on Insider Travel Report.